I think he's in love with her. That's just what I think.
Maybe I am.
What?
And maybe I made a promise up there. A promise that no man would be denied his essential humanity just because of the condition of his pocketbook. And maybe I made a promise that a man in need of help would not be ignored by someone with the means to help him. Here and now, from this day on, because of you, and you, and you. Will we not look to our man and not only see a brother, but a sister too?
Now, what is that supposed to mean?
When did he say that?
I don't remember him saying that. All I remember was him saying, "Run! Run for your lives! Run!"
Well, that was the heat of battle. And in the heat of battle, the actual hotness of battle, the cry of freedom actually sounds something like, run, freedom, run. Freedom, run away. Offense, you gotta run, 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 run. Freedom, run away.
The freedom sun will shine someday. So then you better run, 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 run. Freedom, run away.
I'm frightened.
As you should be. Freedom is scary. It's a blast of cool wind that burns your face.
Literally?
Yes!
There's a trickle of sweat.
There's a trickle of sweat.
Dripping in your ears.
Dripping in your ears.
Still you gotta run, 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 run. Freedom, run away.
So don't you fret and never fear till freedom's won.
Freedom, run away. There's a great big crowd now on the road. Run, freedom, run. Run, freedom, run.
Run, freedom, run. Run, freedom, run. Freedom, run away.